Which way is they?
There you go.
Which way is they trying to go? Now, why would they turn up in here and it ain't nothing but snow down Lawndale? Maybe this boy finna help.
Just bring her a bottle. She want a bottle. Bye-bye.
Who was that?
It's children.
Bye-bye.
See John.
No, they got kept on walking too.
Send him.
Jane, I'm going to be blunt.
Well,
The
bye-bye.
guy who killed Johnny is not going to go free.
The guy who killed Johnny is not your fucking concern, right?
I'd like to know where is he trying to go.
Do you think about what might happen to your family?
She would have stopped.
Okay, there goes somebody here gonna try to help him, I guess.
You got out?
Somebody else is not going to bring him back.
And he looking like, what?
Huh?
It's not your fault.
I would like to know why they trying to go down this way.
Would have done more people.
Yeah, this is, they advise people about the side street.
Why he want to go down the side street? That's crazy.
Like he killed his son with vision where
She probably didn't have nowhere else to park and didn't want to go to...
We don't know why, but everybody just steady them. That man just steady pushing.
I mean,
Okay. Okay, let's
At the same time, they said we need the grace of
keep on pushing till you put. Oh, you all better watch out.
Oh, oh, they got it, they got it.
grace.
She tried to go down this side street here.
I don't know why she tried to go down this side street.
Oh, there you go, there you go, there you go.
Look at him. He just that one guy.
How they get like that?
I think that car was sitting over there.
What? What's she trying to do?
She probably tried to go down this side street.
We don't know.
Deep.
We don't know. He just looked.
Dang.
But why would you try to go down that street and you can't go down that street?
Look at that.
maybe tomorrow after.
Can't nothing go down streets like that but truck.
Hey, look, here come a car.
Okay, here come the police here. What are you dummies doing? Why are you dummies trying to go down the street far full of snow?
Oh, yeah.
I'm finna pass on by y'all. Y'all are really stupid.
Where's the cop when you need him?
Gone down the street. Now he could have took her dog way.
Why she can't go back?
No, her front. She got front wheel. Look like she got front wheel drive.
Oh, okay. Keep
Yeah.
going, keep going.
But why is she trying to go down here?
Don't do it, girl. You're gonna be stuck.
She is. That's crazy.
Oh man.
Why?
People get snow, they don't know what to do.
Say people get to know them.
They want to be on the news. Call the news people because they doing stupid.
Why is they trying to go down
What
this
is they
street?
trying to do? Go home. What is they doing?
Somebody should advise them of parking on the block by now.
They could have shoveled out snow over there on the corner over there and parked on there.
Oh, she was parked.
I don't know where she come from.
Yeah,
I thought she was right here.
Could have got behind that. No,
Okay.
this dummy here.
Keep going down.
Oh my God.
Now they finna go down the snow street. Maybe she finna try to jump a car, cause she was down that corner.
Oh,
We don't got nothing to do. We watch people
okay, now here, step on it, man. Step on it.
Now where they trying to go? Look at me.
They don't know what to do.
Oh, now they back in their same parking spot.
Oh, that's what
where
she
they
wanted.
came from. Yeah. But I guess she couldn't get over that hump.
No, they ain't.
Till now.
Oh.
Yeah, that's where she parked at first.
Because they've never risen.
So maybe they must have done shuffled that street a little bit.
It is.
Well, they parked now.
Romantic.
I can close off.